and subscriber, welcome back to my channel, my people. Thank you for being a part of Caribbean Vibes family. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate the comment. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a video, you will be the first to receive the video from my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a hominy corn porridge. So what me do, me normally soak the corn from overnight before attempt to make the porridge, but you can use it in the morning if you don't want to soak it. But remember, it's dry corn and it's really hard to cook. So if you soak the corn now, it's much more easier to pressure or to cook, depending on how you want to do it. So I'm gonna walk you guys through the step of how I prepare the hominy corn porridge. So I'm gonna pressure it inside and then do the finishing part of it outside. This is the hominy corn. So I'm gonna add it into the pressure cooker. As I was explaining before, that I put it to soak from overnight. I'm just scraping out the corns into the water, which is the pressure cooker. I'm gonna add a little bit more water into it. So I am going to give it 20 minutes to pressure. I am closing the pressure cooker and then putting on the lid on it. Guys, so the hominy corn at pressure for 5 minutes now. So I'm giving it another 20 minutes and check on it again. So the corn done pressure and it has been 40 minutes. So it's all perfect now. So I'm gonna continue the video outside. The pot is boiling up, so what I'm actually doing now, I'm boiling up some cinnamon water, and this is the hominy corn. So I'm gonna add the hominy corn in the cinnamon water. So I am going to give it 5 minutes, and then I'm going to use 1 serving spoon of flour with some milk, coconut milk, to mix it out and to add into the porridge just to give it a little body. So here I have the coconut milk, so I'm going to add 1 serving spoon of flour in it, and the flour is going to help to give the porridge some body. So I'm just mixing out the flour in the milk, so getting out all of the lumps. So now the flour done mixed out. So guys, this is my new plate, which is my calabash. I'm going to add in I'm just mixing it with the coconut milk with the flour. Don't really want it to lumpy. So that is what gonna give the porridge the texture, which is the body. checking on the porridge, guys. So I'm gonna add some box milk in it. So the flour been cooking for 5 minutes now. But I add in the porridge, and basically the flour is what give the porridge the body. So I'm adding in the glass of milk. And this is how I make my hominy corn porridge. I'm giving it 5 more minutes. I'm going to add some nutmeg into the porridge. I'm just grating the nutmeg, roughly half teaspoon of nutmeg. So I'm gonna use some vanilla, 2 pack of vanilla in it. Now the porridge star, boy. Porridge have a buzz this morning, guys. Hominy corn porridge, and I'm gonna use some spice mix as well in the porridge. The next step after this is to sweeten with some sweetened milk and just a little bit of brown sugar and a little pinch of salt, and then the porridge is done. I'm going to add in the rest of the things in the porridge. Just add in just a little pinch of salt, some brown sugar, 2 spoons of brown sugar into the porridge, guys. We're adding in the brown sugar and sweetening the porridge. So I am going to use some sweetened milk in the porridge. So as you all know, I am going to sweeten the porridge and taste it just to make sure that it is perfect, it is not too fresh. This is Caribbean Vibes way of making the hominy corn porridge. And guys, drop it in the comment section which is your favorite porridge, which is hominy corn, plantain porridge, peanut porridge, cornmeal porridge. Basically, I love all of them. When it comes on to porridge, I can choose within whether hominy corn, peanut, oatmeal. So the hominy corn porridge is officially finished. I'm just gonna take it off the fire now, and that's it. See you in my next video. See you in my next video, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe for more awesome videos. We are tasty porridge, hominy corn porridge, and the cameraman now want taste the porridge. I'm gonna see so. You have to taste the porridge this morning to see what go on in the bowl. And this is my new plate, as I tell you. Yeah, you know, Rastaman plate, calabash. So I hit me a beef. Anytime I go do videos on me I eat, this is my new plate now.